If you're wondering what flex space is or what it could be, let us show you. This is a fully built out space right here for a tenant that does car accessories, truck accessories, does window tinting. And when we come in here, it's a bare building, it's empty. We go from the floor up. Concrete has a stain with the clear epoxy over it. On the walls, we got 12-foot ceilings in here. We got some black aluminum, masculine. Ceiling's black. We got some lights that customer wanted. We went ahead and put those in there. We did an exposed air conditioning. This looks good, brings out the industrial look. And this is what a showroom looks like right here. Right here, he has a checkout spot to check out all his customers. We have a couple restrooms we put in. Come take a look at these right here. Customer wanted an office, so we put him an office, and then we go into his shop. So right here, he has his office. He could do a little bit of work. Then he wanted a kitchen, so in case he for lunch, brought his food, stayed late. So he got his fridge, he got a countertop, sink. Then he has a little place to lounge and take a break. Now let's enter the shop we built out for the tenant. Right here in the shop, he has about 3,000 square feet. He has two 14 by 14 bay doors, a 3 by 7 for the employees to come in. This guy wanted a mezzanine on this side, so we put a mezzanine. We got stairs going up there. The railing's not done yet, but here he has washer, dryer, utility sink, cabinets, refrigerator, and an air compressor. And then he also has a restroom for his employees, didn't have to use customers. All right, so this tenant wanted something a little bit special, something a little bit different. Everybody tints windows just in an open area. He didn't like that. He wants to stay as clean as possible. He wants these vehicles to be looking as sharp as they could be, so we built him a fully customizable tint room right here. This is air conditioned, has lights on the ceiling, has lights on the walls, very bright. We put 3 extension cords up on the ceiling so he could just grab them down. Don't have to rub the vehicles, hit the vehicles in any way. And then we put plenty of electrical outlets for whatever he has to do.